Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI for schoolwork. So if you want help with your homework, assignments, notes, or studying, just follow along. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone and sign in with your Google account. After that, start a new chat. Now you can simply type your school questions or assignments into the chat box. For example, you can write, explain photosynthesis in simple words, or help me solve this math problem step by step. Then Gemini will give you clear explanations, summaries, and step-by-step answers. Next, you can use it for writing tasks. For example, write a short essay on climate change for school, or you can also say, help me make a project report outline. You can also use Gemini to summarize long chapters or notes so you can revise faster before exams. If you don't understand something, just ask Gemini to explain it in a simpler way or give example. Just remember to understand the answers and write them in your own words for school submission. So that was how to use Gemini AI for schoolwork. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.